Lovelies, so we are back. Now this is not pay, it's a Web3 Airdrop project. Now I decided to ask you to, when I was showing you how to do the registration, I decided to show you how to do that through Kiwi browser. This way you will not have your device choked up with so many Web3 apps, Web3 Airdrop project app. So with Kiwi browser you can download an extension, the Web3 Airdrop project extension, which will allow you to play on your device, just like when you're mining an airdrop project using your desktop. So this is the dashboard, the interface of I'm on the dashboard. This is the dashboard of Nodepay. Now you are already registered. I'm assuming you've downloaded the first video I sent on how to register or create an account. So now we now come here, activate to receive not bonus points. You need to activate. In other words, you need to click on this place that shows click here. I'll be able to see it is on desktop sites. The site is on desktop site, so make sure it's on desktop site. I had to reload the page. Then once you are here, you will see, you come up here, you see activate to receive not pay bonus points. You click on that place that should click here, and to take you to this part where we downloaded not pay extension, right? Then you click on these three dots. There's these three dots. I don't know why my brush stroke is not coming up. You click on that three dots. When you click on that three dots, you scroll up like this. You scroll up. Now look at this last place that shows not pay extension. Let me go back and do that. You scroll up, you will see this last part of my full screen that is showing not pay extension. You click on that not pay extension to bring you here. You're going to see that up here is showing not activated, right? But you see this place is showing activate, so you just click on activate. And once you click on activate, it will now automatically bring you back to your not points, bring you back here, and you see here it's showing activated now. Now I'm going to show you how to mine the Nodepay. Now you can do that through the Kiwi browser, or you can do that through the Nodepay app. One thing I like about this Web3 Airdrop project, this particular Nodepay, is it has an app where you can do the same thing you can do on the desktop version. So once you download the app from your iOS or your Android app store, on Android is Play Store, on iOS is App Store. You come here, you input your username or your email address and your password, and then you verify that you are human. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to input my email address, and I'm going to input my password I've inputted my password, and I'm just going to come here and click on remember me, so that it's easier for me to log in. Then verify you are human, and then once it shows success here, you can then click on access my account. So this is how the Nodepay app is. If I go now to the Kiwi browser, you see that the same thing that is showing here is the same thing that is showing on the Kiwi browser. So I just said let me use this apps to show you how to do it. Now you are going to come here. This is season 3 of Nodepay. That's why it's showing here current season 3, and this is a dashboard. I am on the dashboard, right? So I'm going to just scroll up, and you're going to see here it shows activate earning device. Activate earning device. See here. Now see another one, unknown device. This particular unknown device is actually my device. So I'm going to scroll up again to those missions. For this particular mission, it says daily treasure claim. I'll come here and I'll click on 100. I'll click on 100, and it says congratulations, you've received 100 Nodepay points. Done. Then you see this is counting, like this is mining right now. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 blocks, data blocks. So this we keep mining every hour. Is to keep mining every hour to get to the 8th hour, and then you come and you claim. it will mine to get to the 8 blocks and you come and claim. So every 8 hours, just log in to claim. It is that simple. Then you can now come here and click on view all missions, or alternatively you can come here and you click on missions and reward. So once you click on missions and reward here, it will show you you've done 1/20 missions, right? So I'm not going to scroll up. Now see the missions you have to connect. You have to connect your Discord, you have to connect your Twitter account, your X, you are to verify your email address, and let me scroll up. These are social media missions. You are to join Nodepay Discord. Then this is the survey missions. Survey missions are here too. The Nodepay plug. So just go ahead and do this. Then if you click on this transaction history here, I've not done any transactions, so it's just going to show nothing here. So once I start making some transaction, I'll still come back to show you. So I'm going to do a walkthrough. Whatever process I'm going to do, whatever progress I'm going to be doing on Nodepay, I'm going to be showing you. So if I click on this earning, you need to do this. You need to verify. I need to verify my email address. I'm going to do that now. Then I need to connect my wallet and I need to confirm wallet address. So let me do this now. Verify email. I'll click on verify email. I'll ask them to send me an email link for verification. You can also do this on the Kiwi browser. I decided to use the app to do this for you so that you will not feel that it's different. No, it's the same thing. So it says they've sent me a mail. I'm just going to do a multi-window here. My device supports multi-window, so I'm going to do a multi-window. I'll put my Gmail and I'll look for the email. This is the email here, and I'm doing a multi-window. Email is there. I'm just going to click on the email, and after clicking on the email, just like this, I'm going to verify the email address. So I'll click up and I'll click on confirm your email address. My recorder's brush keeps disappearing. It doesn't show the strokes. I don't know the reason why it's doing that. It's verified. Then I can now cancel it. I'm going to refresh this app. I came back to the app, I refreshed it, and you can see the verify your email tab is already connected. And I'll click on connect your wallet. So it asks me to enter my Solana wallet address. So I'm on my Phantom wallet. If you did that Paws tax, you will not find this difficult to understand. So this is my Phantom wallet. I'm just going to click on the receive. Now I'm on the home page. I click on the receive, and then you can see the first address that is showing there. The first thing there is Solana. So I'm just going to click on the copied. There's a copied tab beside it. I click on that copied. You should copy it. Now I'll now go back to my Nodepay. I'm going back to my Nodepay app. You can do the same thing exactly on Kiwi browser. So I go back to my Nodepay app. I came back to earnings, and then I'm going to click on the connect wallet. I'm going to enter that Solana wallet. I'll click on it. Make sure you are typing the exact thing you copied rather. I clicked on it. Then allow it to verify that you are human. Always, this is just like a security check. Then I'll click on verify you are human, and then I'm going to click on confirm. And once I click on confirm, it's going to ask me again, confirm wallet address. You see that number 1 and number 2 are ticked green. Confirm wallet address. I'll click on this. It says after wallet confirmation, there is no way to change the wallet address connected to your account. It is your responsibility to ensure that your chosen wallet is secured. So they're going to send me like a mail to my email to make sure that the wallet address I use is correct. Make sure that you copy the right Solana wallet address. So this is my email address, and just it says confirm your wallet connection. I'll click on the confirm my wallet. It's going to load my default browser dashboard, and it's going to tell me confirm or verified. Okay, wallet is verified, wallet connection successful, return to dashboard. So I'm just going to go back here, and I'm going to go to the Nodepay app on my device. I'm going to refresh this just like this. I'm going to refresh this, and you see number 1, 2, 3 are correct. So under missions, you see that it's asking me to claim, verify your email. I'm just going to come here and click on claim because I've done that. Say congratulations, receive 100 Nodepay points. I click on done. So this is the Kiwi browser. I just wanted to show you some things. You can see that whatever is shown here is what is also on the browser. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to connect my under these missions here on the dashboard. I'm going to connect my Discord. So I'm just going to click on here to connect Discord. I'll click here. So now I'm going to save this password. So it's going to ask me that Nodepay wants to link with I should authorize the linking. So I just click on authorize and then leave it to do its thing. It's going to load your Nodepay interface just like this. And on the dashboard, you see I've connected my Discord on the dashboard, and I just click on claim. So congratulations, you received 100 Nodepay points. I'll click on done. Then you just make sure you keep doing more. You keep doing more tasks. So I'm going to switch this to a desktop view. I'll click on this place that shows connect Twitter. I'm going to load the Twitter interface, and I'll click on authorize app, and then to redirect me, do some confirmation, take me back again to Nodepay, just the way you're seeing on my screen. You see that my Twitter here is showing claim, and because I've done that task, so I'm just going to click on the claim, and you see congratulations, you receive 100 Nodepay points. Click on done. So this is just like when you're farming Airdrop project and you're doing the tax on Airdrop project. As you're doing it, you're earning more. As you're doing it, you're earning. Now see today's earning. As you're doing it, you are earning. Then this the daily streak. Log in every day. For 7 days, you have a reward. 14 days, 21 days, 28 days, and on like that. And I'm going to verify this mission I've done. Verify Twitter. That is, verify that I followed them on Twitter. You see, follow Nodepay on X, and I'm going to click on claim. So if you are farming Web3 Airdrop projects and not on Twitter, you are going to be missing out big time. Say congratulations, receive 100 Nodepay points. I click on done. You see, I am doing the mission. As I am doing these missions, you're going to see that this place here, the mission completed is increasing 5/20. You see the place that show network connection is still connected. You are now mining. So this is how it looks like on the Kiwi browser. So I want to show you what it is like on the Nodepay app. So this is a Nodepay app. Right, I'm on the Nodepay app. So if you see the Nodepay app, you see this data block here. This data block is almost completed. It's completed. Once it gets to the 8th block, that is after every 8 hours, you just come and claim. Yes, every 8 hours. Now, if you've not activated your Nodepay, this active earning devices here, we show disconnected. This active earning here, it will show disconnected. So make sure you activate the way I just showed you how to activate. And with every other update, I'll keep sharing from time to time.